Welcome back to KK Autos. Today we're taking you on an exclusive ride into the world of ultimate power, luxury, and innovation with the all-new Kenworth Motorhome 2026. Known globally for their rugged heavy-duty trucks, Kenworth has now entered the motorhome market. And the result is nothing short of extraordinary. This machine is a true blend of industrial strength and high-end comfort, giving travelers a whole new meaning to life on the road. Let's dive into its design, interior, performance, and pricing, and see why the Kenworth Motorhome 2026 is making waves around the world. On the outside, the Kenworth Motorhome 2026 is nothing short of majestic. It's built on a legendary Kenworth truck chassis, which means it carries the DNA of strength and durability. The bold chrome grille immediately grabs your attention, paired with sleek LED headlights that give it a futuristic look. Its long, muscular stance commands presence wherever it goes, while aerodynamic contours improve efficiency without losing that classic Kenworth toughness. The motorhome also comes with expandable slide-out sections designed to provide extra interior space when parked. With a press of a button, the vehicle transforms into a spacious living area. Large, tinted windows not only enhance the modern design, but also allow natural light to flood the inside while offering breathtaking views on your journey. Now let's step inside. The Kenworth Motorhome 2026 takes luxury living to a completely new level. The lounge area feels like a five-star hotel on wheels, featuring soft leather recliners, a large smart TV, and surround sound speakers to turn every stop into an entertainment experience. Ambient LED lighting and premium wooden trims create a relaxing atmosphere, making it the perfect place to unwind after a long drive. The kitchen is a dream for travelers who love cooking on the go. It comes fully equipped with modern appliances, including a refrigerator, microwave, induction cooktop, and even a dishwasher. Countertops are finished in polished stone, while smart storage solutions make sure every item has its place. Whether you're cooking a quick snack or preparing a full family dinner, the Kenworth Motorhome has you covered. Moving to the master bedroom, comfort takes center stage. The king-sized bed with a premium memory foam mattress ensures restful nights, while mood lighting and climate control create the perfect sleeping environment. The room also features a wardrobe and smart storage spaces, giving you the practicality of a home bedroom. Optional bunk beds or convertible sofa beds can be added for families or larger travel groups. The bathroom is equally impressive. With its spacious shower cabin, premium vanity unit, modern toilet, and heated flooring, it brings home-like comfort to life on the move. Every fixture is designed with style and durability in mind, giving you a luxurious experience even when traveling off-grid. When it comes to performance, Kenworth leaves no room for compromise. Under the hood, the 2026 motorhome is powered by a turbocharged diesel engine that produces immense torque and horsepower. This ensures that the vehicle can handle long highway stretches, steep climbs, and heavy loads with ease. Paired with an advanced automatic transmission, the drive is smooth and reliable. The heavy-duty suspension, directly inspired by Kenworth's trucking heritage, guarantees a stable and controlled ride, no matter the terrain. Fuel efficiency has been improved compared to older motorhomes of this size. Thanks to aerodynamic body design and advanced engine technology, drivers can expect better mileage while still enjoying power on demand. Driving such a large motorhome might seem intimidating, but Kenworth has equipped it with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. These features make handling safer and easier, even for first-time motorhome drivers. The Kenworth Motorhome 2026 also embraces smart technology. A central touchscreen system allows you to control lighting, climate, entertainment, and even slide-out expansions. Through a smartphone app, travelers can monitor energy use, battery levels, and generator status remotely. Roof-mounted solar panels and a high-capacity generator make the vehicle ideal for off-grid adventures, providing freedom without worrying about power. Safety remains a top priority. The motorhome is equipped with multiple airbags, stability control systems, advanced braking assistance, and strong body reinforcement for maximum protection. Long journeys feel secure, knowing Kenworth's engineering is always working behind the scenes. Now, let's discuss pricing. The Kenworth Motorhome 2026 doesn't come cheap. It's aimed at serious buyers who demand both luxury and durability. Prices start at around $450,000 and can easily go beyond $600,000 depending on customizations and add-ons. While this might sound expensive, what you're really buying is a luxury home built on the backbone of a heavy-duty truck designed to last for decades. For families, adventurers, or even luxury nomads, it's a long-term investment in freedom and comfort. In summary, the Kenworth Motorhome 2026 isn't just another motorhome. It's a revolution in mobile living. With its bold exterior, luxury-packed interior, powerful engine, and cutting-edge technology, it redefines how we experience road travel. Kenworth has successfully taken its trucking DNA and infused it into a product that speaks to both adventurers and luxury seekers alike. That brings us to the end of today's review of the Kenworth Motorhome 2026. It's not just a vehicle, it's a moving lifestyle that changes how we think about travel.